Well, hello everyone. I'm Derek.
And I'm Salanda.
And welcome back to our channel.
We be tripping.
This is day 12 of 53. Okay. Today we got up. There was something a little bit different today. Instead of having the brunch that they normally had, today they had lunch. And the lunch was in the dining room. So the brunch is normally in the dining room. So today they had the brunch in the dining room. So what did you think?
We would have missed brunch because we overslept anyway. The time keep going back.
Keep going up.
Keep going up.
Yeah, so look like every day we wake up it gets later and later. But anyway, so what did you have for lunch?
I had fish and chips.
Fish and chips. And what did you think about
it? It was all right. The dessert was great. I had brownie and ice cream. It was real good.
Yeah, I had Korean barbecue. I didn't really care for it. I also had some type of French dish. Can't remember the name of it, but I didn't like that either. But I had beef empanada for the appetizer, which was good, and I had that same brownie for dessert, and that was really it surprised me because again, you guys know what I think about the carnival's desserts. Desserts are not normally good on Carnival. And then after that, we ended up at a seminar on
AI.
Was the first one on AI? Because we did two seminars. The first one was the time zones, the different time zones of the United States, which was very informative. I learned a lot about the time zones and how they came about establishing the different time zones and the purpose for them, and how sometimes the line can be off with the time zone depending on which country they're loyal to. But anyway, that was a good seminar. And like Solanda said, we also attended the AI seminar. What using AI with your travel. And what did you think about that? Because I know you really wanted to attend that.
It was informative. I used Chat GPT. I really didn't think it was a big difference between AI and Chat GPT, but he showed us a lot.
Yeah, Chat GPT is a form of AI. It uses AI, or it's still artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
But so he basically taught us how to be specific with AI, with Chat GPT, and knowing the difference between using Google versus using when you should use Chat GPT. Mm-hmm. Oh, I thought you was about to say something. Then after that, we sat around. What else we did? We went to a comedy show. We just got out the comedy show. That's why we're coming so late, because we're in the comedy show, and it was a show.
It was a disaster. But before we get there, if anybody cruised on Carnival some years back, they used to have a game called the Scavenger Hunt. It was for adults only. I never attended, but I heard people talk about it. It was so wild, so Carnival had to discontinue the game. So now they're introducing something, adult game. You know the name of it?
I don't know the name of it.
An adult game. So we went in so we could get
just
content,
to check it out,
just to come back and let the people know about the game.
And it was an adult game. I mean,
I'll never go back. I never go back. What did you think about it?
I thought it just was about pornography. I think because all the questions were. The question was the best-selling porno of all times. There was another game where you guess if it was a porno or not. Let's see.
If the sex toy was for a woman or a man.
Yeah, there's a game if the sex toy was for a woman or a man. I mean, I could understand that, but the rest of them was like pretty much is like a lot of porn based,
Yeah.
content. But
Look like
yeah.
the people enjoyed themselves, but it's something I never attend again.
Yeah. Well, anyway, but we did go to because we wanted just to do see what else they had available around the ship. So I think tomorrow we'll do a bunch of what do you call the games? The
Trivia.
a bunch of trivias tomorrow.
And we haven't been really going to the shows. I think I want to catch a show.
Yeah.
But tonight we ended our night. And I don't think we ended our night because I want to go to the club.
Yeah.
The comedy show. I'm telling you, Derek be saying I'm hard on comedy, but I think tonight have to be the worst I have ever.
I think he was a
witnessed.
nice guy.
He was nice. I ain't say he wasn't nice, but
Okay.
his content, was it funny?
Yeah. No. Yeah, I didn't. I don't think he was funny. But
And the thing about it is, we waited like an hour for him to come on.
waited. Yeah, we put forth a lot of effort to go in there and catch his show. We, like I said, waited for an hour. We went in early. They told us we had to leave, and then we went back in again, all for, it just wasn't funny, you know. I don't know. I don't know what. I think what makes a good comedian is the ability to find humor in everyday situations, you know. And some people, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It just wasn't good. Anyway, what else you have?
That's it. That wraps our day up.
And you know what? And let me tell y'all, people have still been falling on this cruise. And let me tell you, the may not have children, but these grown-ups, these elderly people with these scooters are dangerous. They are dangerous. And if, like, you're in their way, it's like I guess, you know, I don't know, I guess if it's like walking, you know, like sometimes a person may bump you. That's how they act, like they hit you. It's like they going 30, like it doesn't look like they're going to stop. And it's like they have bad attitudes. I think Carnival need to address that before somebody get paid. So, but anyway, anything else?
Yeah. We was passing through the casino and we saw a young lady hit $10,000 on a penny machine. Because a lot of people be like, pennies. I would never waste my time playing pennies.
Yep.
She hit $10,000 on a penny machine.
Yep. And didn't even know she had hit it. That was the amazing thing.
Right.
She was sitting there. Her friend had to tell her that she had hit $10,000. I guess that's a great time to not know, you know. But anyway, yeah. So we got a chance to see it, and I think that's my first time actually seeing somebody win it. Because I've walked over, you know, heard them screaming and walked over and saw it, but I was actually like right there, saw when it was rolling and stuff, and it landed
And
on
it
the
stopped
ground.
on the ground.
Yeah. So, yeah.
I was glad for her. Her friend kept on hollering, oh, she needed at this time. So I was really excited for her.
Yeah. Does anybody ever hit a jackpot and don't need it though?
I guess. I don't know. I ain't never hit a jackpot. I need one.
Yeah, well, if you hit it, I'm going to holler. She need it. So, I guess we'll do the same thing. I don't know. That might be a requirement, yeah. Anyway, so I guess that's it for day 12 of 53. And we'll be back tomorrow. Because tomorrow the time goes up another hour. So it's getting kind of crazy because you kind of like don't know what's going on because the time keeps changing. But I guess it's better to do it that way than to get to Spain and then go up 6 hours. It would be too difficult to do that. So anyway, so that's it. So until next time, keep tripping.